Today we are unboxing and testing this Lenovo Smart Mini Projector, the M1. Let's see how it goes, let's see what's in the box, and also quick setting and also the specification of this mini projector. It's right now. So what's in the box first? That's how you receive it when you order it. That's the packaging. Here we go. So shrimp wrap. Let's open it. Okay, so it's a slide box, so like so. Slide. Ta-da. All right, and now slide again or opening. Opening. You have to be careful to open the right section. So it's like that and like that. First, we see the troubleshoot card. In case if you have any problem, there is a quick solution for you. So that's nice that I put it right on the top. So for people who may have some problem, it's right there. Don't have to search for some troubleshooting online. Now, let's see what's under this foam, protecting foam. Here it is. It's quite small. I was expecting small, but it's very small. Here we go. The projector itself. See my hand next to it, it's really fitting on the hand, so easily fitting in the pockets or in your backpack and ready to go for while you are doing your presentation. So it's very small. The lens is here under the lens protector cover here. It's a very small lens. Put back the protector. Here you go. All right, and it's all the button on the top are tactile, so it's not clicking button. It's just like you touch them slightly with your finger to activate volume on and on, etc., etc. It's pretty also interesting to note that there is no connector, no connection port, no port at all actually on the software that you can see right away. So they may have some hidden somewhere. I will have to find them. Which I did. Yes, I find those ports under this rubber tab. So you just have to pull it very slowly. It was quite hidden. So you pull it very slowly out. Here you go. You can have your USB, HDMI and charging port. And when done, you just close everything back and your projector will look nice again. Here we go. That's all for the projector. So I'll put that on the side. Now let's see what else they give you in the box. Quite some accessory there. For example, this little box here contains what is expected, the remote control, very nice. Next, there is this box here. Let's see. And inside the box, they give you some battery, so for the remote, and the power block for the projector. It's perfect. All right. What else? In this extra little box there, we do have probably some cable. Here we go. So all right, that's it for the box. So they give you HDMI cable, HDMI to mini HDMI, no, to like USB-C look like. So HDMI to USB-C, quite thick, nicely done, nicely made cable. I can feel it. That's nice. And with that, look at that, a nice velvet pocket with Lenovo branded here, velvety, to put your projector inside when you carry it around. This will avoid the scratch on the projector. Put it in the pocket like so, and ta-da, good to carry around. So that's also very nice. Okay, well, that's all for what's in the box, for what you get with this projector. Now let's go and check the spec. Now to turn on the projector, you just have to slide this panel on the left, like so, and after a few seconds the projector will start to turn on. Here you go, and here we go. So projector is on. Now you have the picture reflecting on whatever surface you choose to use to watch your video or photo. And when you are done, you just simply have to slide this panel on the right to turn off the projector, and you will notice that there is a little fan running, so you have to wait until the fan finishes running to be sure that the projector is completely off before to store your projector or to start carrying it around. Okay, that said, we are going now for a quick test. So turning on the projector like so, and then I'm going to use the box for now, but you can put it on your desk, on any flat surface will do. Then when the projector turns on, you have to check the focus, so you can set the focus with this touch panel right there. Once the focus is the way you like it, then you can go to the guided setup, so the guided setup for the remote control, etc, etc. Once the guided setup is done, then you can proceed to the main menu of your projector. Things I like is, see this panel right there, it's like a mouse. It's a touch sensitive panel that acts like a mouse, so you can move around, see this little mouse, and then you click on the corresponding menu that you like, and here you go, very quickly, very easily, with just the touch of a finger. Now the main serious thing is, if you want to watch a movie from a USB key, that's super easy. You see, just plug your USB key on the side, on the USB port of the projector, and then on the menu you select File, right there. Here we go, here, File. And then after that, it's pretty much like an Android menu, so you just go to the name, the title of the file you want to play, you choose what kind of app you want to open it with, like Android, just once or always, and here you go, your movie will start playing without any problem. And of course, this MIDI projector is equipped with a MIDI speaker that allows you to watch a movie and also listen to the sound of it through the speaker of the projector. So let's have a quick example right now to give you an idea how it sounds like. Alright, I was pretty pleased with that. Very nice picture quality for the resolution it has. Anyway, you can also browse all the menu section and setting of this projector. You can set the Bluetooth, you can set Wi-Fi on it. Really, this projector has many ways you can connect it to all your electronic equipment. So, very pleased with it on all this functionality. But anyway, that was the unboxing and a quick review of this Lenovo M1 Smart Mini Projector. I hope this video has been useful for you, and that will explain you a little bit more of what to expect when you order this projector. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.